Huawei has announced that the Nova 4 smartphone, after weeks of testing its most prominent feature, circular drilling hole cut for the 25-megapixel selfie camera. Samsung beat Huawei by announcing the similar Galaxy A8s last week, but Huawei's phone seems to have a smaller hole for the camera. We will have to see if that has any implication for the quality of the image. Last week, the secondary brand Huawei Honor announced the View 20, a phone that looks like it will have quite in common with the Nova 4. In addition to the same perforated design, both phones also have a primary 48-megapixel camera in the rear. It is part of a configuration of 3 cameras in the Nova 4, but Honor has not yet shown Vista 20 from behind. Unlike Vista 20, the Nova 4 is powered by the Kirin 970 processor found in Vista 10 and the Huawei P20 Pro. Honor's newest phone will use the new Kirin 980. Other specifications of the Nova 4 include a 6.4-inch 2310x1080 screen, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, a fingerprint sensor mounted on the back, 18-watt fast charge on USB-C and a 3.750 battery mAh. The Nova 4 will cost 3,399 yuan, approximately $490 for a model with the above specifications, but there is a more economical variant of 3,099 yuan, $450, that replaces the 48-megapixel sensor with the 20-megapixel unit.